Bring your hands on your back for me. Bring your hands on your back. Bring your hands on your back.
Why?
I'll explain it in a minute.
What's he going to jail for?
No one's saying he's going to jail. No, leave it there. Let go.
You are testing us. Okay?
Throw her in cuffs.
Listen to me.
Hey, throw her in cuffs. Throw her in cuffs too.
Put your hands behind your back.
Handcuffs.
At this point, not under arrest. Put that on the hood.
On June 11th, 2023, a Florida officer pulled over a Toyota sedan for speeding and erratic lane changes. But the routine stop shifted instantly when the occupants began moving suspiciously inside the cabin. Sensing a hidden threat, the officer called for a canine unit, turning a simple traffic violation into a high-stakes narcotics investigation.
How you doing, Sergeant Weaver, the Sheriff's Office? Is there anyone in the back seat?
No.
Okay. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance on you?
There's nothing on. Yeah.
Dispatch has been updated.
Mom again pulled over?
Lots of things, okay?
What?
Speeding, not using your turn signal when you were going from the right to the left lane. You were following that car in front of you too closely at 57 miles an hour.
No, I was not even going 57 at all.
Okay.
Dispatch has been updated.
I have an eye appointment at 2:45. I have to be there.
Okay. Were you in a rush or something?
Yes, I'm in a rush.
Okay. Maybe that's why you were
Gainesville.
speeding.
Oh my God, it's at 2:45. So
Where at?
all the way on Orange Avenue.
In what city?
Daytona.
Daytona.
Yeah.
Where's what?
How you doing, Deputy?
Good. How are you?
Mind doing a walk for me?
Sure.
Appreciate it.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, my name's Deputy Beausoleil, Flat County Sheriff's Office. All right. I'm with the K9 unit. All right. A few questions for you guys. In the car, shouldn't be in the car. Nothing illegal. Fine.
Late, dude.
Where are you going?
My eye appointment at 2:45.
Okay. All right. Are there any firearms in the car? Explosives? Are there drugs of any kind? Okay. Would you me a favor? Roll this window just about halfway up. All right. I'm walking the rest of the car. Okay.
Okay.
A little more. I still wanted to check up the car. That's good right there. Okay. That's all the way up. Okay. So, is the vehicle turned off? Can you turn the vehicle off for me? All right, stay in the car, okay?
He's sweating bullets.
You still haven't told me why I was getting pulled over.
I gave you 3 different reasons why you were getting pulled over. There was one car separating you at 57 miles an hour up here on 100. So.
Seats. Gift.
No, leave the window up so it doesn't jump through the window. That would be a stupid thing to put the window down. Can't hear you.
Why would you jump through the window?
Because it's a dog. What do you think? It's a canine. It's to prevent you from getting bit, right?
Yeah, he was alerting all he was waiting for a final. All right. So, my K9 alerted the vehicle. Okay?
It's not.
Okay.
We have it all on video.
Okay, as do we.
I'm going to
Okay.
be late, dude.
So, if there's nothing in the vehicle,
There's nothing.
she'll probably get you a warning, get you out of here, okay? So, no need to worry about it.
If you have a female deputy out,
License back?
It is back? Oh, we're not done with you yet, okay? Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
Yeah, man.
Step out of the car.
What's happening? You just separated.
step out of the vehicle. Keep yours on for right now.
Go back here. My K9 alerted the vehicle. Okay. You use drugs or does he use drugs? No one uses drugs? No drug history at all?
History, yes.
History, yes. That's your wallet?
Yeah.
Is there anything in there that shouldn't be in there?
No, you want me to put it back?
Sure.
Anything illegal on
I
you?
got a knife in my pocket.
Okay, don't
throw
grab
it in the car.
Nope, don't grab it. Just leave it there.
Let me know that thing.
I got it. I ain't got nothing in there.
Alright, back over here, please.
Huh? You gonna check?
Back over here.
Things I got something to do.
They're harassing us right now.
Hold that for now.
Yes, you are.
Oh, don't throw that. You guys should be arrested for that, what you just did.
No.
Threw a lit cigarette down.
It's
a misdemeanor in the same Florida.
Front of my car. Stand in front of my car.
Jesus Christ. You need to eat it?
What?
I don't have.
Okay. Well, if you throw a lit cigarette on the ground, you can be arrested for it. That's what I'm telling you.
Hey, over here. No, over here.
Why?
You're about to go in handcuffs.
She can go for throwing the lit cigarette if she wants to go to jail.
I was never speeding at all.
I just stopped you for speeding.
He did.
You are free to report from right there.
I know we're trying to get that. I'm trying to see him. Like, we're allowed to see them while they're going.
You can stand right here and watch them from right here.
I can't see.
Okay, well, it'll be on his.
I'm missing my eye appointment.
Okay, it's on his camera. Okay.
The atmosphere grew heavy as the canine provided a positive alert, triggering a comprehensive search that uncovered a massive haul of fentanyl hidden within the center console and a backpack. When both occupants refused to claim the dangerous stash, the officer stood firm, placing both under arrest for felony possession as the reality of a long prison sentence set in.
Bring your hands on your back for me. Bring your hands on your back. Bring your hands on your back.
Why?
I'll explain it in a minute.
What's he going to jail for?
No one's saying he's going to jail. No, leave it there. Let go.
You are.
Why am
Put your
I
hands behind your back.
handcuffs?
At this point, not under arrest. Put that on the hood. Put that on the hood. Here.
We got you.
We have a female deputy coming. So if there's anything on you that you should,
I think it's
I'm just saying, I'm giving you a heads up now.
on me.
Okay.
Yeah, you ain't going to make that appointment with what's in the car.
What's in the car?
That's our searching your vehicle. Okay. You guys are being put in handcuffs for now.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a county unit.
What am I going to jail for?
Who said you're going to jail?
You just put me in handcuffs, sir.
Yeah, you're being detained. Because there's a lot of narcotics in the vehicle.
Oh my God.
When someone else gets here, I'll pull it out and I'll show you everything. You're driving a vehicle with a bunch of narcotics in it. So you're responsible.
Hey, leave the phone alone. We're done with the phone for right now.
Oh.
We're done with the phone for right now.
How? I need to call somebody.
We'll get to all that, okay? In the meantime, phone time's done, alright? What did I say?
Wrong. I'm allowed to use my phone.
You're not. You're being detained right now. You get to do what we said. And what we're telling you right now is to hang tight and leave your phone alone. That's what you're being told to do, okay? Simple as that.
Like, we're saying different things. Like you said, okay, we're good to go, and then we don't never even alarmed anything.
He didn't alarm.
And we didn't do nothing on the
Well,
car.
they're not trained to alarm at anything either, so that works out. Just stop trying to fight it, okay? We can fight it in court. That's how.
Fine.
Okay.
Search me. I'll step right over there.
You in Florida? Florida.
Hey, can you come here? Search.
Did a quick one on him. He's doing her now.
I got a ton of dope. All right, thanks.
Yeah. All right, give me a second. There, we can
Huh?
take both of them.
I don't know yet.
Okay.
But I got all this out of the center console. It's hidden under here.
We'll get it done, all right? I'm not gonna forget it.
So after we have anything on you, fucking should be hurting.
You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me? You got anything concealed inside you?
No.
I don't know what this is. Kind of looks like a fentanyl.
Yeah.
Anything on her or no?
No. I guess.
What you found? Oh, do you have like slides in the car? Sandals?
That's it. Yeah.
Alright, have Steven's car. I got a bunch of testing and stuff I gotta do. Alright, Kira, listen to me, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Yes?
You know why I'm going to jail?
No one said you're going to jail, but you're detained and you're not free to go, okay? You're the one driving the vehicle and it's got a bunch of narcotics in it. So, okay. Well, if you saw anything when you were getting pulled over, you need to tell me now. Because you're in control of that vehicle, which means you're responsible for
I'm trying
everything.
to go to my eye doctor appointment.
You ain't going to make it.
You said I was.
Yep.
I'm not.
Nope, you ain't going to make that.
Said I was.
You can put her in your car.
Sure. Can you grab my phone?
Wait a minute.
I need to know my dad's number.
There's a backpack, and I didn't go finish the driver's side yet.
Okay.
I did this side.
This side?
Driver's side.
Yeah.
Huh? Driver's side.
I know, I'm just double checking. Alright.
Fingerprints gonna be on any of those bags?
No.
Your DNA?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna let her go down for all of it?
You got my
It's not
DNA
yours?
on it?
It's not yours?
No.
Okay. None of that's yours?
No.
Okay.
The date was June 11th, 2023, and at 3:19 p.m., a Florida officer pulled over a Toyota sedan for speeding and erratic lane changes. What began as a routine traffic stop quickly shifted when the officer noticed the occupants moving suspiciously inside the cabin. Sensing something was wrong, a canine unit was called to the scene. The atmosphere grew tense as the canine provided a positive alert, triggering a full vehicle search. After removing the driver and passenger and warning the passenger about discarding a lit cigarette, officers began combing through the interior. Hidden within the center console and a backpack, they discovered a massive haul of suspected fentanyl and other dangerous narcotics. When neither occupant would claim ownership of the stash, the officer made it clear. Because they were both in control of the vehicle, they were both going to jail. The high-stakes stop concluded with both suspects in handcuffs, facing serious felony drug charges. Subscribe for more videos. Witness the raw reality of high-stakes arrests with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.